Most beginners don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because the system they're given collapses under scrutiny. I've rebuilt from zero using a framework that actually holds up. This video is called Home Business Academy for Beginners. How I'm rebuilding from zero with a trust first system that actually holds up. I'll walk you through the exact funnel I'm using, the bridge page logic, and I'm building my list daily without hype, without urgency, and pretending I've mastered anything. Here's what I'm breaking down today. The full HBA setup, the funnel builder, the bridge page, email list logic, why I choose HBA over platforms like ClickFunnels, how I document slow, honest progress, and why residual income done right is the most powerful asset in this rebuild. Now, I use HBA's funnel builder. It's $25 a month, clean, fast, and no tech headaches. My bridge page isn't a redirect, it's a moment of clarity. I anchor it with my real video, my real words, and zero pressure. This is affiliate marketing without the fluff. I don't know why I'm not in the middle of the video. Every lead goes into my list. I'm not chasing followers, I'm building relationships. I use a DFY email sequence. There's about 150 emails. I got about 120 in my last funnel. But I rewrite it to match my tone. Calm, honest, no pressure. Residual commissions are great, but only if the system is built on trust. YouTube lets me show exactly how things work, step by step with full transparency. Google backs it up with search visibility, so everything I publish compounds over time. I'm not chasing trends, I'm documenting a system that delivers. Now, ClickFunnels is about $97 a month for the basic version, okay? Minimum. You're probably likely paying a lot more than that. Most beginners never even use half the features. The math isn't mathin'. It's clean, it's simple, and it's built for traction, not confusion. ClickFunnels is like buying a luxury car that delivers pizzas. HBA is like a hybrid bike, lightweight, efficient, and built to go the distance. And because it pays 80% residuals, every mile you ride adds to your momentum. As one mentor told me, document the truth. The traction will follow. That's what I'm doing here. If you're building too, save this video. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're rebuilding. Comment your biggest challenge. I read every single one. Tag someone who's a system that actually holds up. Now look at this funnel builder. Okay, we could watch the video. It's about 9 minutes from a founder. Okay, you also have an AI help. Okay, say let's go to live agent. Boom. Okay, so and this funnel builder start here. Look at how many themes are in here. I'm sorry, that's not the funnel builder start here. Oh, wait, training. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Training. Look at all these pages. Okay, did they just say a survey? Creating survey pages. Amy. Yep. It's a video on how to create surveys. She's a badass, by the way, Amy Starr Allen. Okay. Now, let's look at all this training, okay? Wow. Okay, not a ticky-tack thing. It's not simple. But guess what? You pay $25 and you make $20 a month. Look at replicating pages for your team. Exactly how to do it. Okay, 18-minute video. They tell you a bonus 3. Okay, amazing. This thing also feeds starving children. Pretty fucking freaking cool if you ask me. Okay. I'm going to show you the website. Shows you I'm actually using this. Okay. First of all, I'm going to go to the funnels. I'm going to click all through these. Look at this. there are over 75 pages. There's 75 pages in my funnels. Okay, so I'm making every single video a funnel. Okay, I'm a little bit behind, but check this out. Pretty cool. I've been focused on ranking and focused on ranking not on YouTube, but also Google as well. So check this out. I'm in the in the what do you call it, in the lab learning. Okay, I'll show you this video real quick. Yep, right here. Okay. And is that mine? Okay. So yeah, there's two things I want to show you over here. First of all, let's find that video. Okay, so this video is a video I made that I put out today. Okay, does it say affiliate mentor anywhere? Does it say back office tour anywhere? This video ranked #1 on Google and #1 on YouTube before it even premiered this morning. #1 over Amy Starrell and everybody else, with no views, hadn't premiered, hadn't been let go by YouTube yet. And guess what? 12 hours later, when I checked, I was still #1 in both. That's the type of training you will get for not only you, but everybody you bring in. Now, that's a hell of a bonus in itself. You get to create a clone army, okay? You're not creating them. The training is already there, even coding and live training, okay? Amazing. And that is what hooked me from day one. This is what made me want to be an affiliate mentor. I wanted to get with that training that give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime, right? That's what I wanted. And guess what? It's paying dividends, okay? Like, you can't imagine what I saw when I thought when I was #1 in for HBA and for the search term, and I'm sorry, #1 on Google and #1 on YouTube. Like, I was whoa, and then 12 hours later, it wasn't a fluke. I was still ranked #1. Okay, so I want to show you this. Okay, so let me go back to the video. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay. All right, so why is it not showing the window? You gotta love when it's live. Okay, so we're gonna copy this, right? Why is it not letting me copy? Okay, copy. And I'm ranked. I shouldn't be on here. That's definitely a mistake. I wanted to be incognito, but you're gonna get the picture anyways, okay? So I'm going to the website. Okay, I'm gonna paste that right here. Okay, paste. Okay, Home Business Academy. Boom. So now we're gonna go back. We're gonna share the clip, right? We're gonna copy. And we're gonna go to where it says edit video, and we're gonna paste it. And watch it. It just changed, right? Here's a picture of me. Just changed. Pretty cool, right? So actually does what it says, right? Home Business Academy did for you marketing system. See how this matches the title, matches this. It's very important to be congruent, okay? And that's what we're searching. But here's what's crazy. This is the power. Look at affiliate mentor back office tour. The more you put in, the time you it's like a snowball running downhill, okay? I don't know why that just popped up, okay? The snowball starts very small, but by the time you hit the bottom of the hill, it is a landslide, an avalanche, okay? That's what type of thing, what you're on Facebook or TikTok or whatever, and you're just trying to go viral, okay? Well, guess what? Even if you do, unless you go viral, it's a trickle of traffic. And guess what? The next day or a couple days later, it's all gone. It's all gone. Meanwhile, you're getting things for years, okay? Months and years, okay? But check this out. This video only went out 16 hours ago. It was #1 overall on Google and YouTube. Okay? And it doesn't say anything about Affiliate Mentor Back Office Tour. Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System full breakdown. Okay? It was so good that it's ranking 16 hours for Affiliate Mentor Back Office Tour. It doesn't say anything about that. Not in the comments, nothing in, in the description, blah, blah, blah. And I just showed you how easy it is to change. So this is really cool. And it actually shows you I am practicing what I purchased. And nothing's opening the right thing. So that shows me today's not going to be my day. But I've shown you what I wanted to show you, okay? If you want to see the full setup walkthrough and support system, go to johnsawyer.com/HBACP. The link will be in the description, okay? No hype, no pressure, just a clean rebuild point for anyone starting from zero. You've just seen Home Business Academy for Beginners, how I'm rebuilding from zero with a trust-first system that actually holds up. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka yo, friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.